Hello. My name, that's like no one doesn't even know. My name is Diana. And as for you can see, I have a bowl of food coloring. And right over here is some shaving cream, glue, and contact solution or saline solution. What do you think we're gonna be doing today? Slime! So enough of the chitter-chatting and let's get started. So let's stop the chitter-chatting and let's get started. So the things we're gonna first use is some shaving cream, some shave foam for a smooth and comfortable shave. Whoops, I got that wrong. Sorry guys, don't follow that instruction. Scratch that out. I meant we need some washable school glue or Elmer's glue. Any type of glue you got, but make sure it's not that watery kind, because that's gonna mess it up. Time for me to add some of this glue. So, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, then next, we need some shaving cream this time. Here. So I'm just gonna add this in there. That should done. Well, that was a mess. How about we just continue, shall we? Next we need some food coloring. Here. I just go ahead and add it in there. Add it. There we go. And then I stir it. Stir it up real good. Yes, I use scissors. Don't judge me. I don't think it's supposed to look like this because it's bubbling, but don't worry because we're doing another try. Next up we have a saline solution, which also means it's contact solution. But make sure you don't get this in the eye because it burns your eyes. I mean, I had that in my eye before. It burned like crap. So I got the bottle. Ooh. There we go. It's like water. And then I stir. Stir that up and I'm using scissors again. Here. Guys, while I'm stirring, it looks like it's sticking, but it's like let's look. Like right here, soupy, but it's like in the middle, it's working. See that those holes? Yeah, this was an absolute fail. Next try! And this is gonna be the last try because I don't have time to record. So yeah, retry. So first we need glue. Any type of glue. You better not run out of me glue. Some shaving cream. I got a new pack this time because I'm going all the way to the store to get shaving cream. Don't worry, I shaked it. Ah! Don't worry, I shaked it. And now I'm just gonna pour it in. Okay, it's kind of hard. It got some over me! Ah! Then use some blue dye or whatever the color you want. Come on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Is it dropping? Oh yeah, it did. There we go. I want it dark blue. Ooh, that's a large drop. Go in there. Then stir. Yeah. Wait, I forgot saline solution. We're not done here, folks. And then make sure you add the saline solution. God, you better not run out of me, because if you do, I pay hard money on this, guys. My earnings. Okay, there you go. Yes. And now my hands are useless. Okay, stop. Don't record my face. Okay, stop. That was terrible business. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. So, peace! Subscribe.